Geza is like a storm, a hurricane. Champupuri, you can say you don't care about it. The storm will still pass. So better get prepared. Zandapinda mashoko ari kuda pana paitsanangura pamusoro paFirebrand Comrade Bombshell Geza one munhu akamisa the 23rd agenda akakonzeresa kuti parliament ivharwe mwedzi wese ndokuti bosubscribe like on the bell icon timira panapa mobudanirwa muchinzi there is something called a go back in disaster situation ever ready. On March 31 Zimbabweans were ready. They stayed at home. We are sure even Geza himself was surprised by this response. His words moved the nation. Mr. Mnangagwa and ZANU-PF don't like that. That is why they are desperately trying to silence him. His addresses have helped Zimbabweans find their voices again. If you check the internet, it is full of talk about Zvigananda and corruption in Zimbabwe. Zimbabweans agree on who some of people Zviganandas are. Talking about corruption in Zimbabwe is not a crime. We even have the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission ZAC. It is a toothless bulldog. We recommend that ZAC holds some open hearings on these scandals so Zimbabweans see and hear for themselves. Imagine how much money was siphoned from the Zimbabwe Treasury for elections preparations in 2023. More than 1 billion rand. What happened to that money? We will not keep rambling. Let Geza do his thing this evening. Will he update us on the impeachment efforts? Domashko mdanyo kwa panapa aiwa mashoko akapostiwa just before Bombshell Geza auya achipa his address last night. Tona kuti mashoko aruya panapa ona uchidescribe kuti aiwa Bombshell Geza yes vanhu mogona kuyambuka musoro zvenyu kana kutaura zvakasiyana siyana pamusoro pake, but this man ndiye munhu ari kutopa vagari venyika yeZimbabwe an opportunity yekuti tikwanise kugadzirisa kana kualigna ourselves to be liberated to our own freedom. Mashoko ari panapa achitaurwa zvinzi aiwa tarisai kuti imari iri kuva siphoned nezvigananda panguva ine vanhu vanguti vavava hama dzedu aiwa dzichifa. Mashoko ari panapa achipa advice maZimbabweans kuti aiwa action is to be done. Enda kume section medu dzemafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.